Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the github.com website. I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you fork your repository. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you will open up your repository right here on your profile. So once you do so, you'll see the code out here. The place that you need to navigate to is your code. So the first one right here. And in the top right corner of your code, you will have a fork option here. So for me right now, cannot fork because you own this repository and are not a member of any organization. So if you are to be moved to a certain repository that you're not the owner of, you'll be able to fork it by clicking on this button and fork it from this page. So essentially, just make sure that it is not your repository and that you're in someone else's, and you'll be able to utilize this option right here. So again, go to the repository, go to code, click on fork, and you'll be good to go. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.